That's the satisfying sound that coffee brings. A seed of the coffea plant and the source for coffee. These beans have long been consumed by humans since their arrival in Jamaica in 1728. Coffee beans have had a protracted and nuanced relationship with the nation's culture and economics. From then forward, our local farmers have dedicated their lives to cultivating this energizing source of nutrients in order to give both Jamaicans and visitors a flavor of the island with every sip. So how do our farmers acquire the knowledge of the land to provide this kind of provision? Well, here's one approach.
We are here at the Blue Mountain Coffee Trade Day. We today at this coffee trade are here to trade with the farmers, providing them with the necessary information as it relates to training and extension service delivery. So what does this training entail? It entails unfolding from the preparation of the land straight to marketing of your crops. We have a great partnership with these farmers, and to date we can say it's a success.
Farmers can stabilize their output and retain their dividends thanks to this partnership. After all, it is their bread and butter.
The brand Blue Mountain Coffee, which we support and endorse through the Ministry of Tourism, through the Ministry of Agriculture, through the TEF Fund, through our Alex platform, through RADA and through JACRA and all our partnering agency, is a big brand. And we endorse, we support, and for this brand to remain viable, we must support our farmers who are the main producers.
The demand for Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee has not been met for years, and it has not reduced, it is increasing. It means that it's an alert, a direction for the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries and the government and the people of Jamaica to say to ourselves, if the world is crying out for this product, let's find a way to grow it smart so that we can firstly provide sufficient amounts for our own needs here, diversify the range of products that we can produce here, and capture not just what we have already, but more markets across the world.
Coffee is a common source of income for many people, contributing to economic growth and enhancing community livelihoods. So, how lucrative is this product?
Right now, we are told that the boxes have moved up in price to 10,000. Some of the farmers will tell you that sometimes when they sell, they're not getting the full 10,000. So there's still some challenges to work up. But all in all, there has been a gain in terms of production and a gain in terms of price.
Coffee beans are selected and separated before being used for drinks that can be consumed hot, cold, or iced. Where, though, is it cultivated? Meet the growers.
I'm living into a farming community, and over 80% of our farmers in the community plant coffee. And we are told that we produce the best coffee in Jamaica and also the best tasted coffee in the world.
I'm a member of RADA, yes, and I always have support. As a woman in coffee, I don't have to work with anyone. I work at my farm. I prune it, I weed it, I fertilize it, everything I do. My farm is in Flamstead, East Rural St. Andrew. So the higher your farm is, the better it is. Taste and everything. Blue Mountain Coffee.
From Farmers Trade Show to the Blue Mountain Coffee Festival, a demonstration of the importance of coffee in Jamaica and the agriculture sector.
I drink coffee every day. I make love to my coffee in the morning. So I drink a strong cup of coffee every morning.
We also come out to Blue Mountain Coffee Festival to come and see all the Blue Mountain farmers providing us with the finest and best coffee there is.
The coffee is delicious, and from coffee comes many other products. As we conclude our brief adventure, this is just one of the ways our coffee finds its way into the hands of many coffee lovers.
Our goal, though, is to reduce the fluctuation in the negative way and to have a sustainable and sustained growth in agriculture and growth also in the opportunities for coffee to be sold at a price where our farmers can really now say it is viable. We want our children to come in it, we want our wives to get into it, we want the whole community to be in it.